Get into a car with value. 2022 Hyundai Palisade. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a convenient, comfortable, and capable Hyundai Palisade, the spacious 3-row crossover with a silky smooth ride, V6 power, and premium interior. This versatile SUV combines style and functionality in perfect proportions to create the ideal family excursion vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, sun, moonroof, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system. Turn on the calm and drive on in this family-friendly Palisade. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.